Hi, Todd's back. We had a little taste, just like a smidge.
So did you
sample.
open your windows?
No, it's too windy.
See, like
But it was too windy. I mean, the temperature is warranted the windows to be
who
open.
cares what the reason was?
I left the front door open.
But like with the
No,
glass.
it's got a screen. No, it's got a screen.
Oh, so
Yeah.
you did
so
kind
I
of
did get
open
some fresh
up.
air, but I didn't do all the windows. I was ready to do it the whole house.
Oh, you were ready to air out the whole thing.
Yeah, it's too windy. And then I got just junk blown all over the place, and that doesn't help me.
Okay, your house is already probably chaos as it
Fur
is.
balls flying all over the place.
Right.
Kids are flying everywhere.
Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, the temperatures were great yesterday. Reached the mid-50s. Rochester, New Hampshire hit 56. Portland 54. Lewiston, Auburn, Augusta 53. Bangor, Bar Harbor hit 50. We've chilled off now. There's a front that's passing through, and we're in the 20s and low 30s, but this is totally doable. A little colder up in the county right now, 17 in Caribou. So we're on the chillier side of this front at the moment, but we will see some milder air return as this next system works in tomorrow, and that means most of us see rain showers, chilly rain showers. It's going to be kind of raw tomorrow, but it'll be wet and not white other than the mountains and the far north. This morning it starts fairly bright. There'll be filtered sun, so I think there'll be great color at sunrise, which obviously isn't for a couple of more hours. It's chilly out there, but there's no wind now. There won't be a wind issue today. Sunshine throughout the state for the middle of the day. Temps recover. Wind remains light, so it'll probably feel pretty good, especially in that brighter sun. Then this afternoon and evening, clouds are returning and increasing, but no precipitation expected for the commute, and our temperatures are above freezing, so the commute home should be pretty smooth. Here are the highs for the day. Along the coast, because the winds will be lightly onshore this afternoon, almost like a spring sea breeze, they're going to be coolest here. For instance, Bar Harbor just 42, Rockland 43. If you go inland, it'll be a few degrees milder, like Augusta 46, Lewiston 46, Freiburg hits 47, Concord, New Hampshire around 50 degrees. Picking up the story at midnight tonight, still looking at just clouds. But after midnight and during the pre-dawn hours, there may be a snow shower or a rain shower early tomorrow morning for the commute. It's really mid-morning when the steadier precipitation moves in. And as you can see, our temps will be in the upper 30s, close to 40. So that's rain for almost all of us. That rain snow line goes all the way up to about Millinocket, where it will stop. So mostly snow for the northern tier of the state, and then mostly rain south of that. After 2 o'clock, there are just some scattered showers left over, and everything's gone by about dark tomorrow evening. Snowfall from that system, again, nothing expected for most of us. There'll be a couple to a few wet inches of snow across the mountains and the far north. Friday looks good in the wake of that system. The sun will be back out. On Saturday, though, clouds are increasing again. High pressure to our north will start to establish some cold. We'll only get up to about 40, and the air mass above the surface will be cold enough for snow. When this storm moves in, it'll go right along the coastline through the Gulf of Maine. So again, most of the state on the colder side of things. It's a slightly larger storm, so there's a bigger snow potential out of this, and that'll be gone by Sunday night. Really early thoughts on snowfall. Obviously, these numbers will probably adjust a little bit, but coastline 1 to 3, including Portland. South of Portland, a slushy coating possible. A lot of the state, though, will pick up 3 to 6, including Lewiston, Augusta, Bangor, with a chance to get slightly more in the higher terrain of western Maine and also the central highlands over the near the Canadian border. We'll keep passing along info as we get it, but it does look like a little spring snow in our forecast for the weekend. Small crafts are up, seas 1 to 3, northeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Partly sunny today, high temperatures reach the mid-40s. Mountains will pick up that snowy mix tonight and tomorrow. Most of us just see a rainy day, and a chilly rainy day too. Nice one on Friday, mid-40s, and then over the weekend, snow or rain arrives late in the day, and then that'll change to some wet snow, and we'll pick up some, wet accumulation there. I showed you the map. We'll get more specific as we get closer.
Okay.
Sorry.
Friday looks nice.
Friday does look nice.
All right. Thank you, sir. Appreciate that.